हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू स्टोरी अंडरलाइन। हम बात करने वाले हैं पल्लवास ऑफ साउथ इंडिया। बिटवीन 200 BC to 300 AD, it is considered first historical phase in South India. 300 to 750 AD, it is considered second historical phase. Beginning of 7th century, we witnessed three major states that emerged: Pallavas of Kachi, Chalukyas of Badami and Pandyas of Madurai. First phase की बात करें so numerous crafts, internal and external trade flourished. Use of coins and towns increased. Buddhism was flourishing in Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and South Tamil Nadu. They used Prakrit. And second phase की बात करते हैं so trade, towns and coinage declined. Large land grants were made which led to expansion in new areas and with that expansion of agrarian economy. The second phase was confined to Karnataka. We witnessed increasing sacrifices and beginning of construction of stone temples for Shiva and Vishnu in Tamil Nadu under Pallavas and Chalukyas. It ceased to be land of megaliths and by the end it is considered or known as land of temples. They used Sanskrit instead of Prakrit. बात करते हैं states of Deccan and South India. Pallavas, who were situated at eastern side of peninsula by the ruins of Satavahanas, arose Ikshvikus between Krishnagantur region. They were supplanted by Pallavas, that is creepers. Simhavarman, जिनका कैपिटल था कांचीपुरम और कांची. They were local tribal authority situated at Tondai Nadu or land of creepers. They granted numerous villages free of tax to Brahmins. Huanzang visited Pallava capital. याद है Huanzang हमने देखा था हर्षा के टाइम पे. And now he also visited Pallava capital. Simhavarman put an end to Kalabhras conundrum. आगे हम देखेंगे कालाभ्रास के बारे में. Next आए सिम्हावर्मन के बाद महेंद्रवर्मन between 600 to 630 AD. He was killed by Pulakesin II and Mahendravarman also started Mamallapuram. Next आए नरसिम्हावर्मन 630 to 668 AD टाइम पीरियड है. टाइटल मिला ममल्ला और ग्रेट वॉरियर. He killed Pulakesin in the battle of Manimangalam. He is considered greatest of Pallava and captured Vatapi from Chalukya king. Huanzang visited Kachi or capital, that is Kanchipuram. Narsimhavarman received aid from Sinhalese prince Manavama to defeat Pulakesin II. He founded Mamallapuram or Mahabalipuram and also Shore temple is associated with Narsimhavarman. राजसिम्हा और नरसिम्हा II जो आए नरसिम्हावर्मन के बाद. टाइम पीरियड है 695 to 722 AD. He had peaceful regime and art and architecture was also on rise during Rajsimha. By 900 AD, Pallavas were wiped out by Aditya Chola who killed last Pallava ruler Aparijita. Next बात करते हैं Genghis की. Western Genghis और Genghis of Mysore. They were contemporary of Pallavas situated at South Karnataka during 4th century. इनका कैपिटल था कोलार और कोलर गोल्ड माइंस. They were called Western Ganges to demarcate them from Eastern Ganges ruling at Kalinga. They made large land grants and mostly to Jainas. Kadambas की बात करते हैं तो they were situated at north of Karnataka. Ganges were situated at south of Karnataka and Kadambas were situated at north of Karnataka. They were in constant conflict with Pallavas. Capital था इनका वैजयंती और बनावसी. They favored Brahmanas more but also made land grants to Jainas. Kadambas के फाउंडर थे मयूर सरमन who defeated Pallavas with forest tribe. Pallavas later avenged and recognized Kadambas. बात करते हैं conflict between Pallavas and Chalukyas. Time period है 6th to 8th century AD. They were fighting for supremacy over land lying between Krishna and Tungabhadra, also known as Raichur Doab. It is mentioned in Aihole inscription. The conflict is mentioned in Aihole inscription. Pulakesin II time period है ये और चालुक्य प्रिंस थे. He overthrew Kadambas and Ganges of Mysore. He defeated Harsha's army at Narmada. हमने देखा था लास्ट वीडियो में early life of Harsha. During his southward march, he was defeated at Narmada river by Chalukya king Pulakesin II. So he defeated Harsha's army at Narmada and wrecked Vengi lying between Krishna Godavari region from Pallavas, and his second invasion against Pallavas proved to be failure. So Narsimhavarman occupied Vatapi and killed Pulakesin II. Narsimhavarman जिन्होंने टाइटल अडॉप्ट किया वतापी कोंडा और कॉन्करर ऑफ वतापी. He defeated Chola, Chera Pandyas and Kalabhras. By the 8th century, Chalukya king Vikramaditya II defeated Pallavas and at last hegemony was brought to an end by Rashtrakuta king Dantidurga. इनका टाइम पीरियड है 757 AD. एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की बात करते हैं पल्लवास की. So under Pallavas, states were divided into kottams. Land grants were mostly to temples known as Devdana and land grants to Brahmanas were known as Brahmadeya. Land grants to temples known as Devdana and land grants to brahmanas known as brahmadeya. Sabhas and samiti also prevailed. Society की बात करें, so we witness rigid caste system and rise of Shaivism and Vaishnavism with decline of Buddhism and Jainism. Education and literature की बात करें, so Pallavas were great patrons of learning. Kanchi was center of learning and similarly Ghatika at Kanchi. Art and architecture, age of temple building, इसको कहा जाता है age of temple building, where we witness transition from rock cut architecture to stone temples. We witness Dravidian style of temple architecture जो 4 stages में divided है. First stage under Mahendra Varman where we witness rock cut temple, ये example है. Second stage under Narasimha Varman, monolithic rathas and mandapas, example है Mamallapuram. Third stage under Raj Simha where we witness structural temple made of soft sand temple rocks, example है Kailash Nath at Kachi and Show temple at Mamallapuram. Fourth stage under later Pallavas where we witness same structural temple, example है Vaikunda Perumal at Kachi. Alavars were immersed in devotion of Vishnu and similarly Nayanmars were devoted to Shiva. They both composed hymns in various musical notes. Right, so we have covered Pallavas of South India. हमने देखा first phase, second phase. हमने बात करी Pallavas की who were situated at eastern side of peninsula. इनका capital था कांचीपुरम और काशी. Kings की बात करें तो सिम्हावर्मन, महेंद्रवर्मन, then नरसिम्हावर्मन, then राजसिम्हा and by the end अपरिजिता who was defeated by आदित्य चोला. नेक्स्ट हमने बात करी गैंगेस की, देन कडम्बास. कडम्बास का फाउंडर था मयूर सरमन. हमने देखा कॉन्फ्लिक्ट बिटवीन पल्लवास एंड चालुक्यास एंड बाय द एंड हेजेमनी वाज ब्रॉट टू एन एंड बाय राष्ट्रकूटा किंग दंती दुर्गा. हमने देखा एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन वेयर स्टेट्स वर डिवाइडेड इनटू कोट्टम्स. सोसाइटी रिजिड कास्ट सिस्टम एंड एजुकेशन एंड लिटरेचर के लिए कांची वाज सेंटर ऑफ लर्निंग. आर्किटेक्चर हमने देखा, ये सारे एग्जांपल्स यहाँ पे याद कर लेना और जरूर याद रखें अलेवर्स वेर डिवोटेड टू विष्णु एंड नायनमर्स वेर डिवोटेड टू शिवा. सो मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो पे जो होगा चालुक्यास एंड राष्ट्रकूटास के ऊपर ऑफ साउथ इंडिया. तब तक के लिए ऑल द बेस्ट. थैंक यू.